Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to use Gemini AI in Google search. So if you want to use Gemini AI for Google search, what you have to do first of all, just click on three dots from here and click on it, and here you will see extensions option. Just click on it, and here you will see visit Chrome Web Store. Now here you will see search extensions and themes. Click on it and type Gemini AI. Okay, now search for it and click on it, Gemini AI chat for Google search. Now we have to search for this and click on add to Chrome. Now click on add extension, and after that you have to just save the prompt here like this. And now I'm going to search for player Virat Kohli. Okay, now search for it. Now here you will see this is the part where inside waiting for Gemini. Okay, wait for few seconds, you will see all the detail for this Virat Kohli search. Okay, here wait for few seconds, and here you will see this is the Virat Kohli legendary Indian player and current status, additional follow up, all these things here. Summary, image, you will also get the image here. So like this you can use Gemini AI in Google search. So if you like this video, please like my video, also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.